Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you how to build out a video search kind of an application inside Python using a open source module which actually scrapes the YouTube videos based upon a keyword. So here you can actually search YouTube programmatically inside Python. So let me show you the actual module here, which is a web scraping module, ScrapeTube. So simply install this module by executing this command. So after installing it, you just need to import this. So we simply say import scrape tube. After that, we will simply call this function scrapetube dot get search. So here you can specify any keyword on which you want to search the YouTube videos. So let's suppose I want to search YouTube videos on programming. In double quotes we provide. So this is actually the keyword by which you are searching. So in double quotes you paste your keyword, and then we have some options here. So if you want to only return, you can put a limit here. So I only want 5 videos related to programming, and we can even sort this. So sort by relevance or upload date. So if you want, these 4 options are there, as you see in the YouTube website as well. So if you want the popular videos related to programming, or if you want relevance, upload date, or view count. So I want videos which have the highest number of views. So top 5 videos of programming which have the highest views. So this will return this, and now we can loop through. This is an array here, and then we can display the title. So now what happens if I execute this, you will see it will return the top 5 videos related to programming. Python full course for beginners, then we got C language, like this. So it returns 5 videos, and you can also print out the video ID. So this will be the video IDs. So it returns 5 video IDs, 5 videos. You can change this. Let's suppose I make it 10. So this will now return 10 videos. So it's a very good module, guys. As you can see, we are not using any sort of API key. It is communicating with the YouTube data API in the background by web scraping the results from YouTube. And this is actually a JSON response which contains all these properties. So you can see each video has some properties attached to it. So it has returned 10 videos, so that's why we have got this JSON response. We have the video ID, we have the thumbnails, we have the title, width, height, everything is there. So in this way, guys, you can build out a very good YouTube search kind of an application using this module in Python to make this API. So I tested this module, it works pretty well. You can do this unlimited number of time without using any sort of API key. So it's a great module. Definitely install it and start using it. And thank you very much for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.